Today, grandfather's restless fish bread feast simmering. Tasting flesh offerings marinated in ground blackstone grit and earthed crystals. Cast into the sacred cauldron with blighted bulbous and morbid. Till fat searing into scapegoat relics. In this profane grease, fractured shards and swollen fungal tumors to loosen and rotting. Then festering blood-sun tumors, dark brine tears, salpical blood vines, tear crystals, pestilent nature, and blighted grains into the rostrate swamp, crowned this filthy mound with seared flesh relics. When your teeth shatter the scabby crust, pus gushing with acetylene and metallic rhodegnate in your throat. No grandfather's rust cauldron is both the spirit's abyss and bounty's cradle. Save it is abhorrent, yet irresistible, born from the garden.